How to fix the song you choose might not be available in all countries. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So this issue of the song that might not be available in all countries, for that you just need to select on the Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If not, then you can also go for downloading the VPN. So you can just tap on the Play Store and search for VPN application over here. You can download any of the VPN that is more convenient for you. So for example, I've already downloaded the Turbo VPN over here. Now after downloading it, what you need to do is just go to the settings and then tap on the VPN option over here. Make sure that you toggle this on, and after toggling it on, you'll be able to select the location or the region or the country that the song might be available for, and you'll be able to listen and download the song. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.